morning, beautiful people! Welcome back to You Leave Everything and Wonder, and welcome back to Lucky Land.
I'm Sara, he's Luca, and we are in our garden. It's a long time that we don't show you the outside of our property. And today we're gonna spend the day outside planting new plants, taking care of the garden, cleaning. I love this. The garden of Lucky Land. We have so many varieties of plants and flowers that every month the color changed. So it's just amazing. Now we are in the season of the roses. Close your eyes and smell.
These roses are amazing. You can feel lemongrass, honey, mint,
Vanilla.
They are something incredible.
Iris. We never experienced a May as cold as this year.
Yes, we try to plant some plants at the beginning of May, at the end of March, but then we had some late snow, late freezing nights, so mostly of the plants died.
Just one plant of tomatoes survived, and the kale and the beetroot, and then we have ginormous artichoke plants
that we planted
yes.
I think 3 or 4 years ago, and they are keep growing. They are
taking over
yes,
the garden. They are so big. March was a little bit tricky because we thought, okay, spring is here, summer is here, and then April and May were a disaster.
Yes.
So hopefully starting from today on the weather will be nice with us.
Okay, so let's show them.
Probably we have other 2 projects. I don't know if we will be able to do it in this video. We would like to redo this area, the gazebo and everything. Even here, the barbecue area.
Today we have all these plants to plant, and we have a lot of work to do down there because we have a lot of grass and things that we need to clean and prepare in order to plant those plants. Over there, as you can see, this area we need to clean a lot of pieces in order to plant on this side and also on the other side. Do you remember the Charlie Brown Christmas tree? It's growing. The tip of the tree was dry, so they were basically throwing this away, so they sell us for really cheap, and we are trying to make it grow again nice and beautiful.
Do we have snakes today?
We have snakes every day here. We have a snake over here, but it's not poison snake. This snake eats vipers that are poison, so we will keep it there. It eats also mice, so it keep this area clean. He lives in there.
Yeah.
In that hole over there.
But now stop talking and start working. We will try to follow the companion planting technique. Companion planting in gardening and agriculture is the planting of different crops in proximity for any of a number of different reasons. For example, maximizing use of space, providing habitat for beneficial insects, pollination, productivity, and that goes really well close to the kale, the carrots that they love to stay close to the onion. Ooh, you can spot an artichoke there. Everything is blooming really late because of the cold weather. Last year when we arrived the 1st of May 2020 back in Italy, and I remember we could already spot the artichoke. Now that we are in late May, the artichokes are still Not here or really small. We'll plant some cherry tomatoes. They are small, very sweet, perfect for bruschetta, salads, even tomato sauce. Why not?
It's time for a break, it's time to eat something. Let's have a lunch break and then we'll keep working.
The weather.
It's not super nice.
I noticed that we have some stinging nettles just here. Really easy to pick. These plants. So I think that I'm gonna cook some stinging nettles frittata. You can find the frittata recipe in our cookbook, La vita è buona, life is good. So you can find the link in the description below this video where you can purchase the ebook and you can download a digital cookbook with 28 Italian authentic recipes. And one of them is the stinging nettle soup and the other one is the zucchini frittata, but the frittata is very versatile. You can just add the ingredients that you like. Let's go inside and cook together. For this recipe I pick everything from our garden, not the eggs. Some stinging nettles, basil, oregano, sage, rosemary and thyme. Now I'm gonna rinse everything and then we'll cook this. In a pan we put some extra virgin olive oil, spring onions. Yes? Yes.
I was mixing the compost
Yeah.
and inside I found this walnut and
No way.
it's growing, so I will try to plant it. Unfortunately it's a little bit damaged because I was
Yes, of course.
mixing.
But this morning you were watching a YouTube video.
Yes, I'm trying to make some.
You know, this is your lucky day.
Yeah.
Surprise in the composter. 10 minutes and lunch is ready.
Okay.
So, I was saying, we will put the spring onion and our mix with nettles and rosemary and everything in a pan and we will cook slightly for 2 minutes. Okay, now it's ready. We pour everything in a mixer. I add 4 eggs. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Some pepper and some salt. And this is the result. Now this is totally optional because I have some leftover rice and I don't want to throw it away. So I will add to the frittata some rice, but it's delicious without anything. So we will use the same pan we used before to cook our stinging nettles and we cook our frittata. I close the lid so it will cook on both sides.
You will raise also with the humidity.
Close call. Add 2 minutes on this side and it's ready to be tasted.
Meanwhile, we are eating some sun-dry tomatoes with the grissini breadsticks.
some baba ganoush, fennel, and
playing cards.
ta-da! Buon appetito, guys!
And remember to check the cookbook, the ebook, and you will find the link in the description box of this video. Go and check it out.
Lunch break is over. I spot some amazing strawberries. So before the snails will eat them all, I will get them. Okay.
Wow! Beautiful strawberries.
See?
All from our vegetable garden.
Okay. Let's go ahead.
Yes.
Shall we?
Yes.
We will protect the tomatoes and other plants with some mulching. We call it pacciamatura in Italian. This will keep the plant protected from animals and will create the perfect temperature for them to grow. Here we planted the round zucchini. I will show you the progress in the meantime. We cleaned that area from the ivy. These artichokes were not growing, probably because they had too much shadow from the ivy covering them.
Yeah, it's almost a tree. Look at the size of this.
Wow. We will keep going with the beans. We'll finish the corn.
This side is done. I just will water the plants because they need water right now, and then we will start the other side. Beautiful roses.
For you.
Thank you.
Beautiful people, we changed our mind. Since it's already late, we decided that we will call it for today and we will keep going in the garden tomorrow. So stay with us, have a beautiful evening or morning, and we will see you tomorrow. Ciao!
Good morning, beautiful people. Today, before starting working on the second part, on the second half of our green vegetable garden,
we are so curious, so excited. I don't know if you noticed yesterday in the beginning of this video, we have a box here and a box also here now, because there is something that we have been wanting for a long time. And we can't wait to show you and to share this with you. So we received these boxes.
just a few days ago.
Yes, and this will be a great addition to all our fun toys.
Adventure toys.
Exactly. A company reached out to us, Himiway, and they sent us
two amazing, incredible fat tire e-bikes.
We can't wait to ride together and to explore the trails that we have here and in Italy, and why not in Europe and all over the world with these two e-bikes. We will do the unboxing and assembling today, and let's see.
We are too excited. We cannot wait until next week.
This is Sara and Luca, always too curious. Let's start?
Yes, let's do it. Quite easy.
Yeah?
It's beautiful, I like it. And they give you all the tools to do it.
fun also to assemble. 17 minutes each bike. These are two cruiser e-bikes, so the model is the same. There is only one difference. This is called cruiser step through, and the only difference is in the top tube of the frame. You see, this is lower and this is higher, but for the rest they are the same e-bike.
Only fat tires e-bike, all terrain, so we can explore everywhere we want, longer endurance mileage, so we can go more far away from here.
Escape and leave Lucky Land.
And also stronger motor power, so
but
we can also go up hills.
We will discover this in another video. We will test these two amazing e-bikes in another video because the garden is calling. We need to finish the work we started yesterday.
So stay tuned.
Thank you, Himiway, again. If you want to check them out, there is the link in the description box below this video. Now, let's go.
Let's go.
We planted some fennels here because they love kale. Then we are going to plant tomatoes here, and the eggplants close to the lavender, the zucchini in that area.
We have a few raspberry plants growing in this area, so we need to move them somewhere else because here we will be planting other things. So this is the way we dig them out.
Yeah, we love raspberries, but they invade everything in the area. So last year we have one plant, and this year we have like 13 plants. Luca creates this little trail for the raspberries. We decided to plant beefsteak tomato, datterino, baby datterino that is even smaller than the datterino, and then we have two plants of fiaschetto pomodoro vesuviano. It's very productive, very sweet. And next to the tomatoes we have these shallots, onions and potatoes area. Some garlic as well?
Yes.
Okay, and some garlic. It's time for the carrots to be planted. We're gonna take a little break, and we would like to show you an area that we have never shown you before. That it's our beautiful stream, a little stream that we have just downstairs in our property. I can't wait this summer, Luca, to try to swim or have a bath.
Yeah, it's freezing. The water is freezing even during summer.
Yeah.
The hottest day of the summer, the water is still freezing.
We have an apple tree, another apple tree, pears. Oh, un ramarro.
Yeah, it's full of them.
Ooh. We have other plants here, almond tree, cherry tree.
Try to build some stairs just using some rocks that are already here and dirt.
Because I love this area. So Luca is working hard to try to even the soil, you know?
Yes, I can show you down there.
So this is amazing. It was really difficult to just go down without the stairs. Now we have
Few steps.
few steps.
I still need to keep going and
Thank you.
keep building steps till the river down there.
This area is magic because you can hear the sound of the stream, the sound of the water. You are in the middle of the green and you can hear the birds, different birds that are singing all day long. So we would like to put a pool here.
Yes, those kind of pools that you can put in the summer and take away in the winter, because in Italy, if you want to build a real swimming pool, it's a long process, a lot of bureaucracy, and it gets really expensive. So,
And then we just need few months a year. So
yes,
we don't
probably
need...
1 month, because 1 or 2 months, because here it gets hot just July and August. That's it. This is the path that animals, the nature uses. So I need to build a proper stairs, a proper trail. Watch out for these trees. I'm trying to let all the trees grow, so this piece of land will not collapse, because from the camera you cannot see really well, but it's super steep, this part.
Everything on this property is steep.
So now, Sara, let me help you.
Thank you.
Hopla.
Let's start. Very good.
This is not a perfect starting. Here it's quite difficult.
We barely made it, guys.
Yes, you can still see the dry, ancient dry wall with the rocks. This part has already collapsed, so that's why we're trying to let all these trees grow.
This area has such an amazing history. We would like to learn more about this and share more about this with you, because it should be really interesting. So everything they found kind of a Stonehenge here in the mountains, dolmen and stone constructions. So we would like to know more about this.
Okay, so we are almost there. A lot of trees growing down here. You can already spot the stream down there.
And the pool.
And yes, there are 2 natural pools, more than 2, there are several.
Yes.
But let's go down there.
And here we are, guys. We have one pool here, the other one here, and then we have several up there. It's beautiful. It seems like you are entering another world, right?
Yes, exactly.
A magical world. Have you ever tried to swim inside here?
Yes, in this pool, this is, I think, is the bigger one. In the water,
It's deep?
yes, like here.
Wow.
So if you go like this, you can go below water.
You can jump.
You can jump if you want. But I don't suggest jumping, because it's so freezing the water that you cannot feel your feet. So you can hurt yourself.
Yeah.
Yes, down there you can hurt yourself. It's full of rocks. You can lay down here and have natural massage, or there also you can sit there.
Look at that, there is a small waterfall.
Yes.
Beautiful.
There are waterfalls here. I would love one day to try to produce some energy with this water, running water. Create a kind of turbine that, or I don't know, a way to create some electricity from this water that is flowing all year round. So it would be fun to do it. A crazy project.
Let's go back to work. We're almost there, guys. Almost there. And this is the last plant, Beatrice eggplant. We use a lot of eggplants in our recipes, so having in our garden would be amazing. Good job!
We made it!
We made it! And now a smoothie with our strawberries.
Cheers! Delicious!
I'm trying to do something today with nettles, a fermented nettles tea. We're going to macerate the nettles in water because this is not only a very natural and powerful fertilizer, it is also a repellent against aphids. It should be 1 or 2 kilos at least. It's really simple. You just cover in water 1 kilo per 10 liters, 2 kilos, 20 liters, and so on. Let's add the water and we will leave here for 15 days. Please let us know if you ever tried this remedy, this solution, and if it's working. Done. I cover this with this net. And I read not to use a metallic bucket, but only plastic or glass. Perfect. See you in 15 days.
And here is where we will let you go for this video, beautiful people. The garden looks amazing. We are exhausted but happy. We can't wait to try the e-bikes. They look amazing.
Thank you so much again to Himiway. And we can't wait to try them because adventure is fun, but adventure together is even better.
Yes.
So guys, these were a few days together with us, rural life in Italy in a village. So we cannot see us anymore living in big cities. For us, van life, truck camper life or rural life is the choice.
Yes, we could try beach life,
Boat life.
life on an island,
Yes.
something like that. No noise, only birds and yes.
Peaceful.
If you like the video, please show it to us smashing the thumbs up button.
Hit the notification bell so you won't miss a video, and please consider to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't done already. It's the easiest way to support us. It's free. Check out our cookbook. The link will be in the description below this video. The Italian words for today's video are
Bici elettrica,
e-bike,
buona giornata,
have a nice day,
grazie mille.
thank you so much, or thank you very much.
Bici elettrica,
E-bike,
buona giornata,
have a nice day.
grazie mille.
So it's grazie mille. It's not grassi, it's not grazie, it's not grazie, it's grazie mille.
Grazie mille.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, beautiful people. We love you, we appreciate you. Thank you for coming along with us.
We will see you next Sunday, and remember, la vita è bella.
Life is beautiful. Ciao. Good morning, beautiful people.
Assembled.
Root beet? Beetroot.
3, 2, 1.
How does it look?
Like pizza.
But planting technique. Okay, you can download a digital.
And longer, so the
We wanted. We said.
faccio io. So
No. And.
and
No. Facciamo insieme. 3, 2, 1. Thank you, Himiway. Thank you, Himiway. Wait. Again.
again
And again.
and again.